Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to apply flexible screen protector. First, place your phone on the mat. Use the wet wipe to clean your phone. Use the dry cloth to dry your screen. Use the dust sticker to absorb the remaining particle. This is the installation tool. Insert the big side into your charging port. Take out our screen protector. Peel off the protective film by this number. Now, peel off the layer first. Align these two holes on the installation tool. Use the scraper to smooth it. Remove the installation tool. Lift this side and push the protective film out. Flick your phone and do this step again. Flip it up and push it out. And use your fingers to press the edges. Make sure both sides adhere to the screen. Peel off the topmost film and use the scraper to do a final smooth. If there are small bubbles, please don't worry, it will disappear within 24 hours. Now we have a new screen protector on your phone.